Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock another brand new secret Christmas element on Canva, and it's super adorable. Okay, let's get started. First just open Canva and then just open any designs, and then next just go to elements and search for this code. Just type it and then just hit enter. And okay, like this. The hidden element will instantly appear. This is called Reindeer cookie alphabet set. Its letter looks like a cute Christmas cookie shaped like reindeer, complete with antlers and a little red Rudolph nose. It's so adorable, and maybe these elements are perfect for Christmas greeting cards, kids' party invitations, cute Christmas thumbnails, or maybe a Christmas post. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.